She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and here's the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be another delicious mashup recipe. We're going to go ahead and take some pizza and some pasta, and we're going to make pizza pasta. So this is going to be pasta that is topped with all of your favorite pizza toppings. So the ingredients are endless in this case, and the flavors are going to be beyond delicious. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of each time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the rental, Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice, they told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowin' where you are?
Let's cruise in the night, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move in your flow.
Some through off the time, check my notifications. It wasn't love we was prepping for, but was something adjacent. I can't be wasting lines. I'm meant for something to say in a time where everything vague and the in-between is not what it made out to seem. Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't taunting you. I just thought it ought to be what I was supposed to do, else I wasn't approaching you. I put my heart on your sleeve, wore like a brooch to you, and all in all the outcome would be what it would be. You took a chance, I took the lead. We shook as sheets, advanced and did the deed. Don't blame it on me, we grown, it's a natural thing.
Let's cruise in the night, I'm grooving it. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your flow.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quit to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way out the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on 8. Escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum. Yelling swell with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera. Coming live from the mud pit, we don't take post beef for granted. I plan to keep it stress-free, live and die young, I leave it on the canvases. Split up some with my better half, trade day like it's a holiday. My shit on dumb flame till the wheels kill, I'm on road rage. Yeah. On dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage.
Alright you guys, so this is my version of a pizza pasta. Again, you can fill it with any of your favorite pizza toppings, whatever you choose to add to it. Just make it work. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. Just have fun with it, guys. You could even go ahead and cut it up in slices so that it actually looks like you're eating a big old piece of pizza pie. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
I've been on a run. My third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Yeah. Life in the slums. My third eye open.